Yes, recording in progress. Wow, who is singing? Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Okay,
Good morning, teacher.
okay, your friend.
Malaysia has sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy. Is for the Malaysia.
So children, today we are going to continue with the theme of weather. Oh, you say weather. Weather. Who's shouting? Don't shouting. Okay, you can say it properly. Okay. Weather. Weather. What weather we can see? What weather is it?
Sunny day.
Sunny day. Sunny. Okay. Oh, you say sunny.
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 Rainy day, cloudy day.
Yeah, very good. Okay, not too fast. Okay, what day is this?
Rainy day.
Rainy day. Okay, good. And what weather is this?
Cloudy day.
Cloudy day. Very good. And how about this one?
Windy day.
Windy day. Yes, this is windy day. Okay, let's say again. Sunny.
Sunny day.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Windy. Okay, today last week we have learned sunny day, isn't it? Last week we have learned sunny day. So today we are going to learn
Sun, rain, cloudy day, windy day.
We are going to learn rainy.
Rainy.
Yes, rainy day. You like rainy day, children?
Yes. That's wrong. I took you on.
Okay, rainy day. Okay, you know how the rainy day, how rain is formed? You know how rain is formed? how雨是怎么样形成的吗？ Okay, so I'm going to show you a video. So everybody, you must. Okay, I'm going to mute your speakers. Okay, I mute your mic. Then after you unmute yourself. Okay.
Hello, friends. I am Drippy. You know that rain makes the grass green and it makes your garden grow. Have you ever wondered what makes rain, though? Let's learn, how does rain form? First, we will need the sun. So, here is the sun. When the sun shines, the heat of the sun warms the water, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process, the changing of water into a gas, is called evaporation. Because gas is lighter than liquids, water vapor rises up into the sky, and they further move up into the way from Earth's surface due to the temperature of gas. So, in the sky, the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny water droplets.
Sorry.
This change of water vapor.
Okay, sorry, children. I don't want to see anyone to draw something on the screen. Okay, children, please stop your drawing. Especially Chong Hin Yi. Chong Hin Yi.
有白纸哎。
张hin毅，不要再画那个 screen 了啊！如果你画那个 screen 的话，我不可以给你进来了啊。OK， 因为我看到你一直在画东西，你看我们全部要从头来过了咯。Okay, sorry, Huron. Let's start again.
Hello, friends. I am Drippy. You know that rain makes the grass green and it makes your garden grow. Have you ever wondered what makes rain, though? Let's learn, how does rain form? First, we will need the sun. So, here is the sun. When the sun shines, the heat of the sun warms the water, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process, the changing of water into a gas, is called evaporation. Because gas is lighter than liquids, water vapor rises up into the sky, and they further move up into the way from Earth's surface due to the temperature of gas. So, in the sky, the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny water droplets. This change of water vapor into water droplets is called condensation, and it's the opposite of evaporation. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets, so when condensation occurs in the sky, clouds form and grow. Let's see it from a closer perspective. The droplets bang together and form even bigger drops. When the drops get heavy, they fall because of gravity. They even grow and bump into one another on their journey from the cloud to the ground, and every single raindrop that reaches the ground is made of 1 million of the original tiny water droplets. Raindrops fall on the ground's surface when the sun can shine on them, and the whole process happens again. This whole process is called a water cycle and keeps the water moving from the ground to the sky, fulfilling the water needs of the plants, animals, and people to survive. So, now you know how do raindrops form and fall. Let's summarize this. Steps of water cycle. Evaporation. The changing of water into a gas is called evaporation. Condensation. The changing of water vapor into water droplets is called condensation. Precipitation. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow, or hail. This process is called precipitation. Collection. Oceans and lakes collect water that has fallen. Water evaporates into the sky again, and the cycle continues. Stay tuned by subscribing to us for more cool videos.
Okay, children, do you know how the rains form? Okay, let's see. Okay, this one, look at the video. This is have a process. Okay, this
This is
one
lighter than liquids.
This one, it's a process is called evaporation. That means the water, the water from the sea, the sea, you see, is 它蒸发上去了，那个水海水它蒸发上去那个天上面了 ，OK， 它被太阳照射到 ，OK， 然后它蒸发上去变成什么 ？Do you know what it formed?
Water vapor rises up into the sky, and they further move up into the way from Earth's surface due to the temperature of gas. So, in the sky, the water...
Sorry. Okay. Okay, so you see the wee line, don't draw on the screen now. Okay, so you see the water that got steamed by the sun and they become the gas and then a small water drop, they will go up to the sky and form the clouds. Okay. 这些小水滴它会变成
And the cloud.
yes, they will form the clouds. Okay, they form the clouds. After all the water drops, all the water drops, they're getting more and more and heavy. Then they will become the what? 这些小水滴它越来越多的时候，它累积到越来越多的时候，越来越重的时候呢 ，the water will become the rains and falls from the clouds. Okay, and then they fall into the river. 它们流下去那个河那边了 ，and the river flows again to the sea. And after the sun steam on them, then they will become the water drops again and form the clouds in the sky. 哦，所以我们这个是一个循环来的，那个雨是怎样？
今天我的姐姐讲下雨了，就是那个云库耶。
云库了。云库了，是哦，为什么云要库呢？OK， 它是被太阳照射到哦，然后它就形成了那个水蒸气，变成那个小水滴，飞上去变成云。
看过很长的那个
OK，
那个河。
OK， 然后它变成云的时候啊，各位你听啊，各位你听啊，它变成云的时候，越来越重，越来越重的时候，很多的时候呢 ，getting more and more water drops，OK，and then 它就会变成雨，流下到来这边 ，and then 流去那个河那边，再流去大海，再蒸发上去 ，OK， 所以它就是一直重复的哈，我们的雨水 ，OK。等一下，还有卡着。OK，sorry 啊，还有点卡着了那个。
对这里是管。
Okay, so children understand how the rains form? 你们知道那个雨怎么样形成的吗？You know how the rain forms? Yeah, sorry, children. Okay, go inside again. Sorry for that. Chloe, don't draw anything on the screen, Chloe. Okay. Okay, so children, let's see. Okay, what weather is this? What weather is this again, children?
Rain.
Rainy. Okay, rainy, huh? Usually we can see rain or sun in a rainy day. Children, you can unmute your speaker. You can unmute your speaker and tell me.
Rain.
What did you see in rainy day? Rain or sun?
Rain. Rain.
Can we see the sun in a rainy day? Can you find the sun?
But we can see rainbow.
You can see rainbow. Okay. Actually, sometimes we also can see the rain, see the sun in
And then
rainy
the
day
sun comes out
when
and
it's sun shower. Okay. 当它是太阳雨的时候啊 when it's sun showers, we also can find the sun in a rainy day. Or sometimes, 有时候我们也是可以看到有太阳的，因为有太阳雨 sun shower. And how about the rainy day is wet or dry?
wet.
Wet. Yes, the rainy day is wet. Okay, so it's not dry. And the rainy day, the sky of rainy day is cloudy or clear?
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Yes, the sky is cloudy, so always cloudy, so it's not clear. Rainy day, we can see the rain, and sometimes we can see the sun in the sun shower. And it is the weather which make the environment wet, and also it's cloudy. 很多云的. Okay, now sometimes we also have this stormy. You know what is stormy?
Yes.
Yes, okay, stormy 暴风雨 stormy we can find sometimes we have the heavy rain 很大的雨下很大的雨heavy rain, and we have strong wind, and you know what is this, children?
Storm. Storm.
Storm. Okay, storm. Storm is include all of this. And this one we call thunder. You know thunder? 打雷 thunder. 打雷. Okay, that is thunder. 暴风雨we stormy, we have heavy rain, strong wind, thunder, and also this. Do you know what is this? Lightning. Yes, this is lightning. 闪电 Okay, usually we can find these things in a stormy weather. Okay, stormy weather. Heavy rain, strong wind, thunder, and lightning in the stormy weather. Okay, now I want to show you this. Stormy weather.
Oh yeah.
Wow, children, did you see the stormy weather? 你看到吗？暴风雨the stormy weather. Oh, you can see the strong winds blowing. You can see the heavy rains burst, and you also can hear the thunders roaring. Oh, this is the stormy weather, 哦。暴风雨就是会有这种情形哦。Okay, so I'm going to read you a story. Children, do you have this storybook? No?
What?
Yes or no? Stormy weather.
Yes.
Okay, this storybook I already gave you last time. Okay, so this story is called Stormy Weather. This story is by Lauren Lee and illustrated by Roy Fu. Lauren Lee is the one who's write these stories, and these pictures are all these pictures in this storybook is drawn by Roy Fu. It's designed by Roy Fu. Okay.
我看不到你们全部好了。
I can see you. Okay, so children, let's start. The storm is coming. The sky is black. Oh, look at the sky. 看到吗？天黑黑的天。Okay, look at the dark sky. The storm is coming. The rain starts to drizzle. Oh, see the rain? Okay, children, I'm going to mute your speaker. Okay, so this is the rain on. The rain start to drizzle. The storm is coming. The wind starts to blow. The storm is here. The lightning strikes. Zzz, bang! The storm is here. The thunder roars. Zzz, bang! The storm is here. The rain pounds the ground. Psh. The wind blows the trees. Whoa, look at the trees. It's already bending. The river overflows. Wow, look at the rivers. The water flows very fast. The lightning hits the trees. Zzz, boom! Oh, what tree is it? What is that tree? See the durian? The storm is going. The lightning stops. The storm is going. The wind stops. The storm is going. The rain stops. The storm has gone. I can see a rainbow. Wow, look at the beautiful rainbow. The storm has gone. I can see the sun. Wow, the shining sun. The storm has gone. I can play outside. Whee! Oh no!
Oh no!
The storm is
is
coming back. Run! Okay, so children, that's the story
Oh no!
about the stormy
The
weather.
storm
Okay,
is
children.
coming
Okay, can you read this
Storm.
word, children? Okay, the
Wind.
first word this one is called storm.
back.
Oh, we say storm.
Rain.
Chloe,
Rain.
Chloe. Okay, we read together
Storm.
friends. Okay, all of you say storm.
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 Okay, everyone. Jean, Tengi, Rafi, you can unmute your speakers. Okay, you can read together. Charlene, yeah. Lois and Chong Hee, you can read. Okay, all say storm. Storm.
Storm.
This one is called wind.
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 Very good. And this one is has. Has. Good. Okay. This one is the.
Coming.
The.
The.
Okay, children, you remember this word. Sometimes you read the. Okay, sometimes you can read the. So we. Okay, the. When you see the word start with vowels A-E-I-O-U, then the. We must read the.
A-I-O-U.
Okay, then this one is coming. Always say coming.
Coming.
Someone is coming. The rain is coming. Okay, and this one here. Here.
Yeah.
And this one is gone.
Gone.
Gone. That means go away. Gone. This one is stops. Stops. Children, can you say stops?
Stop.
Rafi. Rafi. Okay, is. Is. Okay, this one is rain. Rain. 怎么你看不到我？很奇怪，
你的电脑不好看嘛？
看不到我。Okay, this
全
one
部
is I.
爱的
I. This one is the.
考你啊，有了。
Okay, this one is lightning. This one is lightning. Children say lightning. Lightning. Children, hurry up. We have no more time now. Let's go. Okay, I will say lightning. Lightning.
Lightning.
Yes, lightning 闪电啊。Going.
Yeah.
Children say going.
Going.
And this one is can.
Can.
And I can do it can. Okay, next.
哎，你不
We must
聪
faster to go
明，聪
through.
明小票吧？
Okay.
全部人都没有进知道了。
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Everybody wants to play, so rain, rain, go away.
Rain, go away. Come again another way.
Come again another day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Let's go outside and play, play, play.
Let's go outside and play, play, play. Let's go outside and play, play, play. Let's go outside and play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Time to play.
Let's go outside and play, play, play. Let's go outside and play, play, play. Let's go outside and play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away.
Can you say that faster?
Let's go outside and play, play, play. Let's go outside and play, play, play. Let's go outside and play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away.
How about even faster?
Wow. Children, do you want to play?
Yeah.
You like to play, you want to play, but rainy day, can we go out and play or not? Rainy day, can we go out playing? Can we go out playing in rainy day? On a rainy day? 可以吗？我们可以出去玩吗？下雨天
不可以，
？Cannot, oh, we cannot.
不可以，
Okay, children.
因为会生病。
会生病啊？等下我再给你看，如果有时间去看一个 video 啊。Okay. So
我
this
怎
is
么每天都是要做这个跟这个的？
you practice 嘛 okay, you practice. If you do this, then you can practice. Okay, then this one is today homework, a worksheet, and your exercise book, children. Okay, please write today's day. Today is Monday, maybe 6. And today is 16th of August of 2021. Okay, you know how August are. Okay, and then this one upside already have your name is it. Then here you write Monday and the date.
对，
Remember to write the name and the date and date. And here we have some words, children. Was very fast, Here you can tell me. This one is sun. Oh, you can read sun.
三
After the rain, you can see the sun. And this one is rain.
类
Rain. Okay, this one is lightning.
来对
Lightning.
lightning
And this one is thunder.
thunder
Thunder. And this one is storm.
storm
Storm. And the last one, it's a beautiful
rainbow
rainbow. Yes. Okay, the first one, what is this, children? What is this? You see the drops, the water drops now. Oh, this is a rain. And the second one, what is this?
rainbow
Rainbow. And do you know what is this? You know what is this?
the
Sun.
thunder
Yes, this is a thunder. Okay, thunder. And this one, I think you must know what is. What is it?
sun
Sun. Okay, good. You can write sun. And this one have the thunder, lightning, and the rain. Do you know what is this? What we call this? Storm. We call it storm. Okay? Storm. And the last one is this one?
lightning
You know what is this? Lightning. Yes, this is lightning or lightning. Okay, lightning. So children, you can do this later, Okay, if you forgot what is this, what weather is this, you can look at your storybook. Your storybook, you can find the answer. Okay, 你可以看得到那个答案，如果你忘记了。Okay, and next, this one is your exercise. You need to write Monday and the day. And here is the sentence. Rain, rain, go away. Everybody wants to play. Okay? So all of you say, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Everybody wants to play. Everybody wants to play. Everybody wants to play. Okay, children, then I supposed to have a reason to show you, but not much time. I'll show you a little bit. I'll show you a little bit. Okay, you look at here. This is why you cannot play outside when it's raining. Oh, okay.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
So you cannot play outside when it's raining. 下雨天不可以出去玩啊 That's why we cannot play outside. You must stay at home when you.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
Okay, the lightning, the thunder is striking. Oh, okay. So it's very very dangerous. Dangerous. Wait, wait,
Holy shit!
Okay, and you cannot stand under the trees, okay, it's very dangerous. Okay, so children, I only can show you until here because we have no time already. So that's all for today, children.
Thank you.
You children. Bye bye, children.
Bye bye. For you.
Okay, remember, don't go out play outside.
Bye
Bye bye. Okay, see you next time. You can unmute yourself. Some of you, mic is open already.